Well, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time, and Luna has found a Christmas pillow. It says, Santa, I've been doggone good. Now, I didn't know where this had gone. Say, but I knew where it was, Mommy, the whole time because I shoved it in the back of one of the. Hi, Luna. See, I shoved it in the back of one of the chairs and I hid it so that nobody else could steal it. Luna's so tired. Luna's so tired. Oh, Luna's so tired. What are you doing, Luna? Just sleeping? What if I tell you to get up, honey? What if I tell you to get up, baby? Say, I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up, Mommy. Do I have to move? Please don't make me move. This is so comfortable because this is my own couch. It's my own couch that I have. Oh, this is so comfortable. It's the best thing ever. I love my couch, Mommy. Thank you for getting it for me. And then sometimes I get confused and think that that's my couch. So Mommy has to remind me that no, this is my couch. This is the couch that I get. And then every once in a while, I'll share it with Callie. But only because I really, really love Callie. Yes. She really, really loves you, Callie. Love you, Callie. Love you, Luna.